In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete a workspace in Microsoft Loop quickly and safely. First, open Microsoft Loop and sign into your account. Once you're in, navigate to the Workspace panel on the left-hand side where all your workspaces are listed. Next, find the workspace you want to delete. Click the three-dot menu next to its name to open the Options menu. From here, select Delete Workspace. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking you to confirm that you want to permanently delete the workspace. Read this carefully. Once deleted, all pages and content within this workspace will be permanently removed and cannot be recovered. If you're sure, click Delete to confirm. And that's it. Your workspace will be removed from Microsoft Loop. Remember, only delete workspaces you no longer need to avoid losing important content. Thanks for watching. If this helped, consider liking the video and subscribing for more Microsoft Loop tips.